How much do you think a YouTube channel made with stock videos earns on average per month? Scene Hunter is exactly that kind of channel, and with 355,000 monthly views, it generates between $900 and $2,500 in revenue. Let's take a look at similar channels to get a clearer picture. The Joyce Travel channel had 420,000 views last month and earned between $280 and $914. And the best part is, to create these travel videos, you don't need to go on a world tour or even use your own visuals. Now, I'm going to show you step-by-step how you can create unlimited 30-minute videos using Pictory, a tool that makes this simple logic possible. Pictory is an all-in-one platform, just like a video editor. It allows you to quickly create videos from text, URLs, images, or presentation files. It helps you manage visual, video, text, voiceover, and editing processes all from one place. And of course, no expertise is required. It has a very user-friendly interface, so having just an idea is enough to start a YouTube channel and earn additional income. Let's take a look at what Pictory can do. Click on Get Started Free to begin your free trial. This is the interface you'll see. You can create a video with your own script or an article. Let's say you have a travel blog post or you had ChatGPT write some content for you. Just use this section, finalize your video script, and quickly create your video. Since we're going with the travel channel example, and I happen to have a blog, I'll proceed with the Create from URL option. I'm copying the link of the article, 17 Things to Do in Bali, from littlethingsinmyway.com. It pulls the full article into the left side, as you can see. If you're working from an article, you can simply paste it here. It works the same way. On the right side, you'll find the text that will appear as subtitles and be read aloud in the video. This part is important. We need to make some edits here. Carefully read through and finalize the text yourself. Then click the Next button at the top and say Create Video. Look, it automatically matched scenes with relevant visuals. I can see that it also pulled images from the blog post, which helps make our video more original. Now let's go over what we can edit. You can adjust the duration of each scene. You can change the dimensions of the video, so you can publish it as a YouTube short or style it like an Instagram post. Check if the visuals match the text. You can change the image or the text, or delete them entirely. Under the Visuals tab, you can search for videos and use the Replace button to swap them out. For example, I chose a more suitable video for the surfing scene. You can also search by category or style. Let's move on to the audio section. Since our script is in English, it directly shows English voiceover options. You can listen to samples and change the voice if you'd like. Let's hear how the selection sounds.
Whether you're a beginner or an expert, Bali's beaches offer fantastic waves suited for everyone.
It also automatically selected background music, as you might have noticed. But if you don't like it, you can choose a different track from the library. Now let's move to the Style tab. Here, you customize how the subtitles will appear. You can change the style, font, and color. Once done, you can click Apply to all scenes, which is super helpful. In the text section, if you want to add a title or any extra text, like a quote, you can do that here. For instance, I'm adding a title to the first slide, 17 Things to Do in Bali. You can adjust the font and color of this text as well. The branding section is empty for now. If you have a brand or logo, you can upload it here in advance and then select it for use in your videos. In the Elements section, you'll find stickers, Gifs, and more. These can help make your video more eye-catching. I'll add one now, for example, a boat sticker. Finally, in the Format section, you can define the video's size and resolution, making it ready for download. Let's take a look at how our video turned out.
Imagine embracing refreshing mornings in Bali with an exhilarating twist of joy and relaxation. Start your day with puppy yoga, surrounded by nature and adorable, playful puppies that uplift your spirit. Immerse yourself in the local culture by witnessing the mesmerizing Kesik and fire dance at Uluwatu Temple. This breathtaking performance against the sunset creates a magical atmosphere you will never forget. If you thrill for adventure, grab a surfboard and ride the waves in Bali's surfing paradise. Whether you're a beginner or an expert, Bali's beaches offer fantastic waves suited for everyone. Don't miss the chance to try Luwak coffee, the world's most unique coffee experience, unique and unforgettable. Explore the process behind this special brew, and indulge in a delightful variety of teas and coffees. Stroll through the Tigalaling rice terraces, where serenity and stunning scenery beautifully intertwine. Capture breathtaking photos while learning about the local rice gathering culture firsthand from farmers. For an exhilarating experience, soar on the giant swings with breathtaking jungle landscapes beneath you. Feeling adventurous? Jump into the refreshing waters at Teganunan Waterfall for a thrilling escape from the heat. Deepen your spiritual connection by participating in a shamanic healing session led by a traditional Balinese healer. As you seek inner peace, embrace the unique blend of meditation and energy cleansing during your session. Embark on an ATV adventure and experience the breathtaking landscapes as you navigate muddy trails and village paths. While exploring Nusa Penida Island, discover hidden beaches and dramatic cliffs that will leave you in awe. Complete your journey with a soothing Balinese massage, unwinding from vibrant island adventures and revitalizing your spirit.
Lastly, let's review the plans and wrap things up. One of the great things about Pictory is that it offers a 14-day free trial. During this period, you can create 3 different videos up to 5 minutes each. But keep in mind, when you download the video, there will be a Pictory logo in the top left corner. There are 4 different plans, and 3 of them are paid. The main differences lie in the duration and usage limits. Depending on how much usage you need, you can choose the plan that works best for you. For your review, I'll leave all the links, including those used in this video, in the description. If you've watched the video this far, don't forget to like and subscribe to support my channel. I'd really appreciate it.